Computer vision is a field of computer science that focuses on enabling computers to identify and understand objects and people in images and videos. Machine learning is a way of collecting and processing visual data to achieve computer vision. In this class, students need to learn to create an image model, collect image data of 3 different animals, rabbit, fish, and turtle, train the model, deploy the trained model to Nous Robot, and finally write a program to let Nous Robot recognize the 3 animals. Today, computer systems have access to a large volume of images and video data sourced from or created by smartphones, traffic cameras, security systems, and other devices. Computer vision applications use artificial intelligence and machine learning to process this data accurately for object identification and facial recognition, as well as classification, recommendation, monitoring, and detection. In the part, students become familiar with how to create and use one image model. Students should pay attention to how to acquire image data to get a good model. Go to the Tiny ML Model option for AI. Select an image recognition model and enter a name. And you can see the model you just created in my model below. First, let's identify the classes: rabbit, fish, turtle, and nothing. Step 2. Before acquire the data, make sure the Nous Robot is connecting to the coding platform. What's more, make sure connect Nous to the same wireless network as the device. Step 3. Change class 1 to rabbit and press the webcam icon. Step 4. Press the click to record button to acquire the data samples one by one. There are several tips. 1. Data diversity. The more diverse the data, the better the model. We can obtain diverse data by the distance of the card from the camera or the rotation angle of the card. 2. It is better to acquire more than 20 image data samples for each class. Step 5. Add 3 more classes, including fish, turtle, and nothing. Remember, nothing means when there is no image cards, so you need to consider what the Nous camera sees when there is no card in front of it. When you actually program and use this model, we can choose a certain wall of the classroom that the camera faces when collecting data. Step 6. Please the Next Step button and go to Training and Deployment. Press Start Train to train the model. Pay attention to the train cycle. The default train cycle for image model is 40. After finishing training the model, please read the report. In this case, the report shows that the trained model is pretty good. We should also read the logout. Usually, the accuracy from epoch 1 to epoch 40 is getting closer to 1. If the accuracy in the report and the logout are not very good, you can either acquire more data samples, simply retrain the model, or change the train cycle to retrain the model. Press the deployment button and go to the programming page. Because the data of the image model is relatively large, we recommend using USB to connect Nous and MatataStudio when loading the model. Select an event directive, then load the model and make sequential predictions. Then enable the Nous camera preview function and display the prediction result on the Nous main controller. Then let Nous tell the prediction. Finally, the wait instruction and the loop instruction are used to realize the recognition of the image by Nous multiple times. When running the program, we should place the animal images cards in front of the camera. Please observe the appearance of the image on the screen. The closer the appearance of the image is to the appearance when we collected the data, the higher the accuracy of Nous. In this section, students try to finish the whole project by themselves. Today, we have created image model. Note, after creating one image model, we should connect the Nous to MatataStudio, and then connect Nous to the same wireless network as this device. In this way, we can use the image transmission function of Nous. 2. When acquiring the image data, you must pay attention to the diversity of the data. 3. When loading the model, it is recommended to connect Nous and MatataStudio using a USB cable instead of Bluetooth. It is quicker to load the model into Nous.